Self-explanatory. You can put two panels side by side to compare them. In this case, we're comparing two different segments, non-mobile and mobile, looking at the UK. This is actually a great example of where copying is something that you might want to do. You can see that we've zeroed in on exactly the same geography in both visualizations. So what I would have done here, it wasn't shown, but probably implied, is I'd create this non-mobile view first. I'd copy it by right-clicking where it, in the header of that visualization, or I guess it's a panel. In the header of that panel, copy the panel, paste it, and then I should have the same visualization. I should have the same area of the world, so I don't have to worry about finding exactly that same area again, and then I just apply a different segment to it. And you can very clearly see that mobile behavior is very different than non-mobile behavior for for whatever site or app this is.